Welcome to our channel, where we unlock the hidden value of rare coins from around the world. In today's exciting video, we'll dive into the fascinating world of Malaysian currency and shine a spotlight on one incredibly sought-after coin, the Malaysia 20-cent coin from the year 2001. Even in dirty condition, this coin is catching the attention of collectors and numismatic investors alike in today's booming auction market. So, if you have this coin lying around, don't go anywhere, you might be sitting on a small treasure with big dollar potential. The 20-cent coin from Malaysia, minted in 2001, is part of the second series of Malaysian coins introduced by Bank Negara Malaysia. This coin holds great historical importance as it reflects the nation's economic stability and modern design shift during the early 2000s. As part of Malaysia's national identity, these coins were not just used for everyday transactions, they also represented the country's cultural progress, as the reverse side of the coin beautifully displays the traditional Malay kite, or wow bulan, symbolizing Malaysia's vibrant heritage. What makes the 2001 Malaysia 20-cent coin stand out are its unique features. With a composition of copper nickel and a weight of 5.65 grams, the coin has a diameter of 23.6 millimeters and a reeded edge. The obverse side features the hibiscus, Malaysia's national flower, which adds a distinct cultural aesthetic. But the true beauty lies in the coin's vintage appeal. Coins from this specific year carry a certain design alignment and finish that have become increasingly rare over time. Even when found in dirty or circulated condition, the fine detailing of the design is still visible, which speaks volumes about the minting quality and craftsmanship. When it comes to rarity, the 20-cent 2001 coin has gained notable attention in recent years. While millions were originally minted, finding one in today's market, especially one with specific minting variations or slight alignment errors, has become a challenge. Collectors from around the world are now hunting for this coin, whether in uncirculated or even dirty, aged condition. The wear and tear actually enhance its vintage character, making it more attractive to certain collectors who value aged authenticity. This increasing demand and limited availability are pushing its desirability even higher, with coin lovers actively looking to add it to their rare Southeast Asian currency collections. Now let's talk about what everyone wants to know, the current market value of the Malaysia 20-cent 2001 coin in today's market, even in dirty condition. While it might seem like a small denomination, this coin is making a big impact. In online auctions, collector groups, and coin fairs, the 2001 20-cent coin has recently been observed fetching impressive values. Depending on the overall condition, clarity of design, and collector interest, the coin can sell for anywhere from $3,000, and sometimes even more if there's an interesting strike variety or alignment error. What's more exciting is that some collectors are paying a premium simply for having a complete set of year-based 20-cent coins, and 2001 is one of those years that fills the gap. For collectors, now is the perfect time to secure this coin. If you already own a Malaysia 20-cent 2001 coin, even if it's dirty or aged, do not discard it. Instead, clean it carefully with proper numismatic methods or leave it as is, because many collectors prefer original untouched conditions. Always store your coins in a dry, cool place, preferably in a coin holder or album. If you're looking to sell, online platforms like eBay, numismatic forums, and even local collector groups are active marketplaces where these coins are in high demand. Networking with international collectors can also help you get the best value, especially from those who are passionate about Southeast Asian currency. In conclusion, the Malaysia 20-cent coin from 2001 is more than just an old piece of metal, it's a high-demand collectible with rising value, even in dirty condition. Its historical charm, unique design, and growing rarity make it a must-have for any serious coin enthusiast. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting your numismatic journey, holding onto this coin could mean holding onto a small piece of Malaysian history with significant dollar value. So check your old coin jars and pockets. This hidden gem might just be waiting for you to discover its true worth. Next up, the Malaysia 20-cent coin from the year 1971. If you have this coin in fine condition, you could be holding a hidden treasure that's gaining serious attention in the global collector's market. This isn't just an old coin. it's a symbol of national history, rarity, and increasing value in today's auction circles. So let's explore why this 20-cent coin from 1971 is becoming a hot topic among collectors and investors worldwide. The Malaysia 20-cent coin from 1971 belongs to the first series of Malaysian coins issued after the country gained independence. This series reflects Malaysia's early post-colonial era of progress, identity, and nation-building. The 1971 issue came during a time when Malaysia was rapidly modernizing its economy and society, and the coinage served as both a tool for commerce and a representation of the country's culture and aspirations. The 20-cent coin played a key role in daily transactions, but today, it plays an even more important role in the world of numismatics as a highly valued collectible. What makes the 1971 Malaysia 20-cent coin especially unique is its bold and traditional design. Minted in copper nickel, the coin weighs approximately 5.65 grams with a diameter of 23.6 millimeters and a reeded edge. On the obverse side, it proudly features the national emblem, Bank Negara Malaysia, along with the year of mintage, 1971. On the reverse side, the coin shows the denomination, 20 sen, in bold lettering, accompanied by a traditional Malaysian design motif. The simplicity combined with symbolic elegance makes this coin visually attractive to collectors. The craftsmanship, clarity of strike, and symmetry of design are remarkably preserved even in coins that are decades old, especially those in fine condition. In terms of rarity, the 20-cent 1971 coin is considered one of the standout pieces of early Malaysian numismatics. Although it was produced for circulation, the number of surviving coins in fine or better condition has dropped significantly over the years due to regular usage and metal wear. This drop in availability has created a strong sense of rarity. Serious collectors, especially those building complete year-based collections of Malaysia's first coin series, are actively searching for well-preserved examples of the 1971 20-cent coin. Its historical placement, vintage aura, and limited visibility in the market have propelled its demand to impressive heights. The coin is no longer seen as common, it's now viewed as a nostalgic and valuable collectible from Malaysia's golden era of coinage. Now let's talk about the current market value of the Malaysia 20-cent 1971 coin in fine condition. With interest in vintage Asian coins skyrocketing, this particular coin is enjoying a sharp rise in value. On major online marketplaces like eBay, collector sites, and auction platforms, the 1971 20-cent coin in fine condition is attracting bids and sales between $4,000, and in some premium collector auctions, even higher. The strong upward trend in its value is a clear sign of how desirable this coin has become. Collectors from around the globe, especially those with an interest in Southeast Asian currency, are constantly on the lookout for this coin, making it one of the most traded vintage Malaysian coins in the numismatic world today. If you're a coin enthusiast or new collector, now is the ideal time to add this coin to your collection or get it appraised if you already own one. Always keep your 1971 20-cent coin in a dry, safe environment, preferably stored in a protective coin holder or album to prevent any further wear. Before selling, take clear photographs and consider listing the coin on platforms where Malaysian or Southeast Asian coins are in demand. Alternatively, if you're collecting for long-term investment, holding on to this coin could yield even more significant returns in the years ahead, as vintage coins continue to gain recognition and financial value worldwide. In conclusion, the Malaysia 20-cent coin from 1971 is not just an old piece of metal, it's a rare collectible with cultural depth, historical richness, and strong market value. Coins like this are part of Malaysia's proud numismatic legacy and are rapidly becoming prized assets among global collectors. The fine condition 1971 20-cent coin, in particular, stands out for its beauty, scarcity, and rising dollar value. Whether you're buying, selling, or simply holding onto it, one thing is certain: this coin is in high demand and represents a shining opportunity in today's coin market. Next up, the Malaysia 1 ringgit coin from 1995, especially in extra good condition. This is not just any ordinary coin, it's a valuable treasure in today's auction markets, commanding impressive figures in dollar value. Whether you're a passionate collector or someone new to the coin world, this video is going to reveal everything you need to know about the 1995 Malaysian 1 ringgit coin and why it's creating such a buzz among numismatists worldwide. Let's begin with the rich history and background of this unique coin. The 1 ringgit coin was introduced as part of Malaysia's ongoing modernization of its currency system. In 1995, Malaysia was experiencing strong economic growth, and the coinage reflected a blend of cultural heritage and national pride. The 1 ringgit coin was minted by Bank Negara Malaysia and circulated for only a short time before being withdrawn, making this particular year a standout. With the transition to polymer notes and updated coin series in later years, the 1995 1 ringgit coin became increasingly rare, especially those preserved in excellent condition. This makes it not only historically significant but also an exciting piece of Malaysia's monetary evolution. Now, let's take a look at the unique features that make this coin so desirable. The 1995 1 ringgit coin boasts a bold and beautiful design. On the obverse side, you'll find the hibiscus flower, Malaysia's national flower, elegantly depicted, along with the denomination, 1 ringgit. The reverse side carries the crest of Bank Negara Malaysia, giving it a formal and dignified appearance. The coin's design, paired with its substantial size and weight, gives it a strong and distinctive presence. Made of cupronickel, it's not only attractive but also durable, ensuring that well-preserved specimens maintain their shine and appeal over the decades. These artistic and structural elements make the coin a standout in any collection. When it comes to rarity and condition, the 1995 Malaysia 1 ringgit coin is in a league of its own. Coins in extra good condition are exceptionally rare, as many of the coins in circulation at the time suffered from wear and tear due to daily use. Finding a 1995 1 ringgit coin with sharp details, minimal scratches, and original luster is like discovering a hidden treasure. Collectors around the world are constantly searching for this coin in top condition, and its low availability in such form makes it a high-demand item in auctions and collector circles. It's not just the age but the scarcity in pristine or near-pristine condition that drives its value sky high. Speaking of which, let's talk about the current market value in dollars. In today's global numismatic market, the Malaysia 1 ringgit 1995 coin in extra good condition can command anywhere between $5,000 or even more, depending on the coin's sharpness and eye appeal. In some rare cases where the coin is in almost uncirculated or mint state condition, values have soared even higher in online auctions, numismatic expos, and private sales. Collectors, both local and international, are actively bidding for this coin, pushing its price up due to limited availability and high desirability. With rising interest in Southeast Asian coinage, this Malaysian coin has carved a spot among premium collectibles. For those interested in acquiring or investing in this stunning coin, here are some valuable tips for collectors. First, always inspect the coin under good lighting to check for surface quality and fine details. Look for sharp edges, clear lettering, and minimal signs of wear. If possible, try to obtain coins that have been graded by professional services or kept in protective sleeves since the 90s. Be vigilant about fakes or heavily worn versions. The goal is to secure coins that truly reflect their original craftsmanship. Joining local numismatic groups or online forums can also help you find trusted sellers and updated market prices. And remember, coins like this often appreciate over time, so holding on to them can be a smart long-term investment. In conclusion, the Malaysia 1 ringgit 1995 coin in extra good condition is more than just a piece of metal. It's a valuable slice of history, an eye-catching collectible, and a sought-after treasure in the global coin market. Its unique design, cultural symbolism, and increasing rarity make it a hot topic among collectors. With market demand continuing to rise, now is the perfect time to hunt for this coin or showcase it proudly if you already own one. Whether you're building your personal collection or simply appreciating the beauty of rare currency, the 1995 1 ringgit coin stands as a symbol of both value and prestige. Next up, the Malaysia 20 sen coin from 2010, especially in extra fine condition. This coin, though modern in age, holds tremendous value due to its increasing rarity and collector demand. In today's active auction market, this coin is turning heads and capturing the attention of coin lovers and investors alike. Stay tuned as we uncover the fascinating details, history, and dollar value of this outstanding Malaysian coin that's making waves in the numismatic community. Let's begin with the history and background of the Malaysia 20 sen coin from 2010. This coin was part of Malaysia's third series of sen coins, minted by Bank Negara Malaysia. Introduced during a transitional phase in the nation's coinage design, the 2010 version belongs to the final years before the new series with enhanced security features and design revamps was introduced in 2012. The 20 sen denomination has always held importance in everyday transactions, but certain years like 2010 became memorable due to higher mintage and stronger durability standards. This makes the 2010 issue particularly notable among collectors. Coins from this era represent not only the financial systems of Malaysia but also the cultural pride embedded in every detail of their design. Now let's talk about the unique features of the 2010 20 sen coin that make it a collector's dream. The coin is beautifully crafted from nickel-plated steel, giving it a shiny, silvery appearance and long-lasting quality. On the obverse side, it proudly displays the bunga melor, or jasmine flower, a symbol of purity and elegance in Malaysian tradition. Above the floral design, you'll see the inscription, Bank Negara Malaysia, and the year, 2010, is perfectly centered at the bottom. The reverse side of the coin features the denomination, 20 sen, prominently in the center with a distinctive line pattern that adds depth and character to the coin's look. Its clean, modern aesthetic, paired with traditional symbols, makes this coin stand out from others of the same era. In terms of rarity and condition, the Malaysia 20 sen 2010 coin is becoming increasingly rare, especially in extra fine condition. While the coin was once commonly found in circulation, the passage of time and continuous handling have made pristine examples significantly harder to find. Coins that have retained their shine, with all design details still crisp and clearly visible, are now considered treasures by collectors. The 2010 version is particularly appealing because it came just before a major coin design change in Malaysia. That means it is one of the last coins to reflect the previous design standard, making it a piece of numismatic history. Collectors are on the hunt for these coins in top-grade condition, and demand is growing rapidly across online marketplaces and collector platforms. Let's move on to the current market value in dollars. In today's highly active numismatic auction world, the Malaysia 20 sen 2010 coin in extra fine condition can fetch anywhere from $6,000, depending on the sharpness of the features, surface quality, and overall eye appeal. In certain cases, especially if the coin is uncirculated or comes with a proof-like finish, the value can soar even higher, particularly in international auctions or private collector sales. The combination of design rarity, aesthetic appeal, and historical timing has elevated the 2010 coin into a high-demand status. This is not just a coin, it's a solid asset in any collector's portfolio. For those looking to invest or start their numismatic journey, here are some essential tips for collectors of the 2010 20 sen coin. Always aim to secure coins that have minimal scratches, no discoloration, and strong detail in the jasmine flower and lettering. Keeping coins in plastic sleeves or coin holders can protect them from environmental damage and preserve their condition for the long term. It's also wise to explore both local and international coin groups, online auction platforms, and trusted numismatic dealers. Networking with other collectors can provide valuable insights and opportunities to trade or acquire higher-grade coins. Remember, coins with a story and strong visual impact always appreciate in value over time. To wrap it all up, the Malaysia 20 sen coin from 2010 in extra fine condition is more than just change from the past. It's a rare and precious collectible with rising value in the world of coin collecting. Its historical placement, elegant design, and increasing scarcity make it a standout item that collectors and investors are eagerly pursuing. As demand continues to rise, owning one of these coins becomes not only a matter of pride but also a big investment choice. Whether you're a seasoned numismatist or a new enthusiast, this coin deserves a special place in your collection. Next up, the Malaysia 20 sen coin from the year 1980. Even in dirty condition, this coin is turning heads in the auction markets with big dollar value. Yes, you heard that right. Even with signs of age, this coin remains a strong collector's favorite due to its historical significance, design rarity, and the growing global interest in Southeast Asian numismatics. So get ready, because in this video, we're going to break down why the 1980 Malaysia 20 sen coin is such a valuable asset today. Let's begin by diving into the history and background of the Malaysia 20 sen 1980 coin. This coin is part of Malaysia's second series of coinage, which began shortly after the country's formation in 1963. The 1980 edition reflects a time when Malaysia was growing rapidly as a nation, with increasing national pride and economic expansion. Minted by Bank Negara Malaysia, the coin became a symbol of daily life in Malaysia, used in markets, transport, and trade. Its release in 1980 came during an era when coins were built to last and represent both function and heritage. Today, decades later, the 1980 20 sen coin has transitioned from being everyday currency to becoming a rare collectible, especially as fewer pieces remain in circulation and those that do often carry the marks of time, which only adds to their story and value. Now, let's talk about the unique features of this coin that make it instantly recognizable and widely admired. The 1980 Malaysia 20 sen coin is made of copper nickel, giving it a solid, metallic feel and a weight that collectors appreciate. On the obverse side, it displays the denomination, 20 sen, along with the year, 1980, clearly stamped and encircled with a ring of dots that add character. The reverse side features the official crest of Bank Negara Malaysia, a powerful symbol of economic authority and national identity. The coin's size, shape, and raised edge design provide a tactile experience that sets it apart from more modern coins. Even when aged or carrying signs of wear, these physical traits make the 1980 coin a standout piece in any collection. Let's move on to rarity and condition, which is where things get even more exciting. While many collectors seek out uncirculated coins, there is a growing demand for coins in dirty or well-used condition, especially when it comes to coins as old and historically significant as this one. A coin in dirty condition does not mean it has no value. In fact, it tells a story. Each mark, smudge, or bit of toning adds authenticity and links the coin directly to the hands of history. The 1980 20 sen coin is no longer minted, and locating one in any condition, even dirty, is becoming increasingly rare. Collectors and numismatic investors understand this value and are snapping up these coins from auctions, online listings, and private collections. The demand is real, and it's only growing. Now let's talk about the part everyone wants to know, the current market value in dollars. The Malaysia 20 sen 1980 coin, even in dirty condition, can command a surprising $3,000 or more depending on the exact quality, legibility of details, and the interest level at auction. In some collector communities, even weathered coins are appreciated for their authenticity and age, especially when they're part of a specific year run like 1980, which has historical importance. With global collectors paying more attention to vintage Malaysian coins, the value of this coin is steadily increasing, making it a smart addition to any serious collection. Coins like these are not just money, they are assets, cultural markers, and investments with proven appreciation over time. If you're looking to collect or already own this coin, here are some useful tips for collectors. First, never overlook a coin just because it's dirty. Age adds authenticity, and professional cleaning is an option for those wanting to improve presentation. However, preserving the natural patina is often more respected in the numismatic world. Store your coin in a dry, protective sleeve to avoid further degradation and label it with the year and origin for future value verification. Join numismatic groups or online forums where collectors share insight, trade coins, and update each other on the latest market trends. Whether you are buying, selling, or just collecting, knowledge is your most powerful tool. The Malaysia 20 sen 1980 coin, even in a used or dirty state, holds remarkable value when placed in the right context. In conclusion, the Malaysia 20 sen 1980 coin in dirty condition is not just a forgotten relic of the past. It is a valuable, rare, and highly demanded piece in the coin collecting world today. Its historical richness, iconic design, and limited availability have elevated it from ordinary currency to an extraordinary collectible. In current auctions and global markets, this coin is achieving surprising dollar values and is now viewed as a prized asset by collectors who understand its true worth. Whether you're new to the coin world or an experienced investor, this is one coin you do not want to ignore. Next up, the Malaysia 50-cent coin from the year 2012. You might be surprised to learn that even in dirty condition, this coin has become a prized possession for collectors and is gaining momentum in the international market with a big value in dollar terms. This is not just another ordinary coin, it's a symbol of heritage, transformation, and value that continues to rise. So get ready as we take you through the journey of the 2012 Malaysia 50-cent coin and show you why collectors everywhere are keeping their eyes on it. The story of this coin begins with the history and background behind the 2012 issue. This particular year marked the release of Malaysia's fourth series coinage, a modern redesign introduced by Bank Negara Malaysia to reflect the country's evolving identity. The new series was officially launched in July 2012 and featured contemporary motifs inspired by traditional Malaysian elements. The 50-cent coin, being the highest denomination among the standard circulation coins, was given special attention in terms of design and material. It represents the balance between innovation and cultural heritage, making the 2012 edition historically important as the first of its kind. As years have passed, the 2012 50-cent coin has become more than just currency, it's now a significant piece of Malaysia's numismatic evolution. Now let's explore the unique features of the 2012 Malaysia 50-cent coin that give it its strong appeal. Crafted from nickel brass-clad copper, this coin has a beautiful golden hue, a firm weight, and durability that stands the test of time. On the reverse side, it features the intricate, sulur kakang design, a traditional Malay motif representing vines and spirals that symbolize growth, prosperity, and continuity. This artistic element is deeply rooted in Malaysian heritage and brings a cultural identity to the coin. The denomination, 50 sen, is boldly presented in the center, with the year, 2012, clearly displayed beneath it. The obverse side carries the hibiscus, Malaysia's national flower, proudly placed alongside the words, Bank Negara Malaysia. Even when found in dirty or aged condition, these designs remain recognizable, making every piece a work of art and a historical emblem. The rarity and condition of the Malaysia 50-cent 2012 coin have become major reasons for its rising popularity among collectors. While the coin was widely circulated at the time of its release, many pieces have naturally aged or collected dirt over time. However, that doesn't reduce their importance. In fact, coins in dirty condition are now highly collectible due to their authenticity and age. Each mark or stain tells a story of its journey through time. As collectors seek to complete year-specific sets or focus on coins from the fourth series debut year, the 2012 50-cent coin has become a top target, even in worn or less polished states. The demand is strong, the supply in good collectible condition is limited, and that's exactly what drives its high status in today's market. Turning to the most exciting part, the current market value in dollars, you'll be amazed to know that the Malaysia 50-cent 2012 coin, even in dirty or circulated condition, can command impressive figures. Depending on its visibility, detail clarity, and surface integrity, the coin is currently valued in the $4,000 range in various online auctions and collector platforms. If the coin has retained its design details despite the dirt or surface marks, it can attract serious offers, especially from international collectors who recognize its historic significance. In some auctions, coins from this series and year have even fetched higher amounts due to demand spikes, making it clear that this 2012 edition is no ordinary coin. Its rising value is a strong indicator that it's considered a worthy addition to modern-day numismatic collections. For those of you interested in owning or trading this coin, here are some tips for collectors to help you make the most of this opportunity. First, always look beyond appearance. A dirty coin may still hold excellent design visibility and historic value. Handle the coin carefully to avoid further surface wear, and store it in a soft plastic pouch or coin holder to preserve it. Avoid aggressive cleaning, as original toning and marks are often valued more than artificial shine. Join local collector communities or reputable online groups where you can stay updated on coin prices, auctions, and trade opportunities. Networking with fellow enthusiasts can open doors to new discoveries and rare deals. The 2012 50-cent coin is a perfect example of how understanding the deeper value of a coin can lead to profitable and meaningful collecting. In conclusion, the Malaysia 50-cent coin from 2012 in dirty condition is not just a piece of pocket change. It is a high-demand, culturally rich, and historically important coin that continues to rise in value. As collectors race to secure pieces from Malaysia's fourth series debut year, this coin is becoming more and more precious by the day. Even with signs of age, it holds beauty, legacy, and investment potential that can't be ignored. This is the kind of coin that brings both pride and profit to any collection, and if you have one or can find one, you're holding on to something truly special. Next up, the Malaysia 50-cent coin from the year 2015, especially in good condition. This coin, although part of a more recent minting, is fast becoming a highly demanded item in today's auction markets, and collectors across the globe are hunting for it due to its design, scarcity, and rising market value. Whether you are a passionate coin collector or someone just beginning to explore the world of numismatics, this is one coin you definitely want to know about. Let's begin by diving into the history and background of this coin. The 50-cent 2015 coin belongs to the fourth series of Malaysian coins, which was introduced by Bank Negara Malaysia in 2012. The new series was designed to reflect Malaysian culture through traditional motifs while improving functionality through technological updates like better security features and new materials. By 2015, the new designs had firmly taken root in circulation. However, even among these modern issues, the 2015 50-cent coin has drawn attention due to its relatively limited visibility in current use. Over time, many coins from this batch either remained in storage, were heavily used, or were removed from active circulation, making them increasingly scarce in good condition. This has made 2015 an important year to focus on for serious collectors. Moving on to the unique features of the 2015 Malaysia 50-cent coin, we find a brilliant blend of tradition and modern minting. The coin is made of nickel brass-clad copper, giving it a distinct golden shine that instantly catches the eye. It features the iconic sulur kekang design on the reverse side, a traditional spiral vine motif deeply rooted in Malaysian heritage, representing prosperity and continuity. Below this beautiful design, the year, 2015, is clearly engraved, while 50 sen is boldly marked to represent the denomination. The obverse side carries the hibiscus flower, the national symbol of Malaysia, accompanied by the official title, Bank Negara Malaysia. Even after years of use, the coin retains strong design elements when in good condition, and that's exactly what collectors are looking for: clarity, detail, and historical relevance. The rarity and condition of the Malaysia 50-cent 2015 coin are key to its growing value in the market. While it was once a common sight in circulation, the reality today is that clean, untarnished versions with visible detail are harder to come by. Most 2015 coins that are still in public hands have signs of wear, so finding one in good condition, where the edges remain defined and the artwork remains legible, has become a challenge. Coin enthusiasts and investors understand that such coins are not only difficult to find but are also rising in demand, especially among those looking to complete year-based sets or those investing in modern collectible coins from Southeast Asia. This has led to the 2015 50-cent coin becoming a prized asset in both local and international auctions. Now let's talk about the exciting part: the current market value in dollars. The Malaysia 50-cent 2015 coin in good condition is currently attracting serious attention from collectors and dealers alike. Depending on the sharpness of its features and its preservation, the coin is being valued at around $5,000, with potential for higher prices in private sales or online platforms like eBay, collector forums, and dedicated numismatic auctions. The coin's increasing rarity and appeal have driven prices steadily upward, and demand continues to grow as more collectors become aware of its historical and aesthetic value. This is a coin that may have once been in your pocket, but today, it's being traded globally as a valuable collectible with real dollar worth. For those of you interested in owning or investing in this coin, Here are some tips for collectors to help you make the most of this opportunity. First, focus on coins with clear engravings, minimal scratches, and no heavy discoloration. Coins in good condition should still show all the major design elements like the sulur kakang pattern and hibiscus flower in visible detail. Store your coin in a protective plastic sleeve or hard case to prevent further wear, and avoid unnecessary cleaning, as natural patina is often preferred by serious collectors. Join numismatic groups online or in your local area to stay informed about new listings, price trends, and upcoming auctions. Knowledge and networking are key in the world of coin collecting, and the more connected you are, the better your chances of acquiring valuable pieces like this one. In conclusion, the Malaysia 50-cent coin from 2015 in good condition is a shining example of how modern coins can quickly become rare collectibles with strong market value. Its unique design, cultural symbolism, and increasing scarcity make it a powerful addition to any serious collection. As more people discover its value and demand continues to rise, this coin is no longer just a piece of metal, it's a piece of history, a symbol of national pride, and a highly sought-after investment in today's global coin market. If you come across one, treasure it, because this small coin holds big value. Next up, the Malaysia 50-cent coin from the year 1988, especially in fine condition. This coin is not just a piece of the past, it is a valuable asset in today's market. Its increasing rarity, beautiful design, and historical importance have made it a hot item in auctions and collector circles. And in this video, we'll dive deep into what makes this coin so special, and why it is now gaining big value in dollars and high demand around the world. Let's begin by taking a look at the history and background of this remarkable coin. The Malaysia 50-cent 1988 coin belongs to the second series of Malaysian coins, which were in circulation from the early 1970s through to the early 2000s. This period marked a time of significant economic growth and modernization for Malaysia. The coin was minted under the authority of Bank Negara Malaysia, and it represents a time when the nation was establishing its identity on both local and global levels. The 50-cent denomination, being one of the highest in regular circulation, was widely used in public transport, shopping, and daily transactions. But the coin from 1988, in particular, stands out today as a classic and meaningful artifact from that era. Decades later, it is now transitioning from everyday currency into a rare collectible that tells a powerful story of Malaysia's growth and culture. Moving on to the unique features of the coin, the 1988 50-cent coin holds a striking design that merges elegance with national symbolism. The coin is made from copper nickel, giving it a strong silvery appearance and a solid feel in the hand. On the obverse side, it features the words, Bank Negara Malaysia, encircling a bold depiction of a wow bulan, a traditional Malaysian kite. This design is not just decorative, it's a proud representation of Malaysia's rich heritage and artistic legacy. The reverse side shows the denomination, 50 sen, prominently in the center with the year, 1988, etched at the bottom. A ring of dots and a reeded edge complete the classic design, offering both aesthetic appeal and durability. Even in fine condition, this coin maintains its charm, with its design elements clearly visible, making it a proud addition to any collector's portfolio. When we talk about the rarity and condition, the 1988 50-cent coin truly shines in the eyes of collectors. Coins from the late 1980s have become increasingly difficult to find in fine condition. After being in circulation for decades, many of these coins have been lost, melted down, or heavily worn. That's why finding a 1988 piece where the wow bulan design, inscriptions, and edges are still intact and clear is becoming rarer with each passing year. Collectors are actively hunting for these coins to complete their second series sets, and demand has seen a sharp rise across local and international numismatic communities. The 1988 version is now considered one of the more collectible issues in the 50-cent series, and when found in fine or better condition, it is often quickly snapped up in auctions and sales. Now let's get into the most exciting part, the current market value in dollars. If you're holding a 1988 50-cent coin in fine condition, you're in luck. In today's collector and auction market, This coin is valued anywhere between $10 to $30 USD, depending on its condition, clarity, and overall presentation. Some listings on online auction sites like eBay and specialized numismatic marketplaces have even reached higher prices when demand peaks. With the number of available fine condition coins decreasing, and more collectors looking to secure this particular year, its market value continues to rise steadily. It's not just a coin, it's an appreciating asset that is gaining more attention and worth as time goes on. For those who are interested in collecting or investing in this coin, here are some useful tips for collectors. Always examine the coin carefully under good lighting. Look for visible details in the valuabe design and sharpness in the text and edges. Avoid cleaning the coin, as natural aging or patina is often preferred by collectors and helps preserve its authenticity. Store the coin in a clear, acid-free coin holder or sleeve to protect it from environmental damage. Engage with coin collecting communities, both online and locally, where you can learn about fair pricing, auctions, and trade opportunities. Most importantly, if you find a 1988 50-cent coin in fine condition, hold on to it, because it's only getting more valuable with time. In conclusion, the Malaysia 50-cent 1988 coin in fine condition is not just a relic from the past, it is a rare and valuable collectible in today's numismatic world. Its elegant design, rich cultural background, and growing scarcity make it one of the most desirable coins in Malaysian coin history. With rising demand in the international market and strong dollar value in auctions, this coin stands as a true treasure for anyone lucky enough to find or own one. Whether you are building your collection or investing in coins with long-term potential, this 1988 50-cent piece deserves a place of honor in your collection. Thank you for watching this deep dive into one of Malaysia's rarest and most beautiful coins. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content on valuable coins from around the world. Keep collecting, keep discovering, and remember, sometimes, the greatest treasures come in the smallest, most ordinary looking forms. Until next time, happy collecting!